Okay, well, she's done. I did pull off some of the tape just from the cab. I haven't yet to do it yet. Not too bad. Still have some tape to pull off there. I did the back. Got a brand new slow moving sign. Still have to change the light yet. She's pretty glossy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go take the tape off the cab now, and then we'll see what she looks like. Okay, well, everything's off. All the tape is gone. I got it running right now. She looks pretty good. Got the new slow moving sign. Like I said, still gonna change that light. I'll get one. Even did the wheels too. So that was kind of a rush job because it's going out in the field right away. Yeah, Dad is out cutting hay right now with the 930 Moco. My hydraulic motor on my John Deere has a blown seal, so we're waiting for a seal kit for it. But yeah, we're gonna take this baby out in the field and see what it does. It ain't no disc bind, but it'll go slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. So yeah, that's just a little update on my restoration project. Looks good in the sun. I wish that paint would stay like that all the time. But yeah, there was one commenter who said the Magnum should have a paint job. Well, that's next on the list. That tractor needs it bad. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll probably add some of this video into the hay cutting. So I'm gonna go out there. Well, it's cutting pretty well. I'm quite surprised. It's kind of echoey in here. But yeah, I didn't expect it to cut this good. This is some pretty heavy alfalfa. This is right by our vineyard here, so yeah, this alfalfa is a good crop this year. Pretty big windrows. It rides smooth. I expected to be going a lot slower, and it cuts nice and clean too for a sickle. The alfalfa's almost right over the reels. But yeah, the only thing that I don't like is that drive shaft. It's too long and it's too much vibration from it. It should be shorter. Or a hydraulic pump. But, you know, simple. Simple is easy. Dad is over there. They wash these windows. Anyway, let's see if I can get some outside shots. So Mom is driving the Windrower for her first time. She's actually pretty good. She's not going too fast. It can go faster than that. But it's cutting really good. I'm quite impressed. Like I said, the only thing I hate is that vibration from the drive shaft. It's too long. Well, after cutting here, it was really dusty, so I went and washed it off because you don't really want dust sticking too much to new paint yet, because you know, it was a little bit, I really didn't want to take it out, but because the John Deere was down, I took it out early. But the paint's pretty good. Still got a shine to her. I should you can see the grain bins in the it's not too orange peeled. I was using the coarser tips, and it's really made for that gun I use for primer, shooting primer with that one. But this paint is pretty thick, this case paint, so it worked okay with that. And it's whatever, it's not like a Boyd Coddington car, you know, whatever. It doesn't have to be wet sanded or cleared. Like, you could clear it if you want, but I'm not going to. But overall, yeah, the only thing that I seen that was a little bit of an issue was the drive shaft. A lot of vibration, so it's slightly bent. But you know, I hate really long drive shafts like that because they tend to bend. Why is that cow bawling? Other than that, I don't have no problem with it. It cuts like a sickle bar header should cut. Definitely not the speed of a disc mower, but nonetheless, works pretty good. Can't complain. But yeah, we have rain coming now. Friday's rain. Today's Wednesday. But the hay might be able to bale tomorrow. Tomorrow late afternoon, so we're going to try. We got the rake out in the 770 case. The rake needs a new hose, so I got to get that tomorrow. And the pump, the drive motor is back on. Really easy, it's just 4 bolts. Man, were they ever tight to get off too. Crazy tight. But there was the seal was blown, and I guess the fix is, well, they say once these pumps, hydraulic motors get older and more, that this case drain can't handle the pressure because it's too small. So what they do is they put a bigger coupler, and I guess that's supposed to relieve the problem. So if it happens again, that's what I'm gonna have to do. But I don't think it's going to. But you never know. Anyway, that's all for this video. Right, Suki? You need a brush again. Damn dogs in their hair. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.